Hey, it's Sammy. On Friday, December 27th, a couple days after Christmas, we took 7 trades today in Dow Futures, YM symbol, for 203 points. Let's take a look at trades and how they played out. Our first 3 trades this morning are actually pre-market trades, so we're going to trade very conservatively, but we have great data here. You can see we've already broken through that red line. Now we're breaking through this yellow line, which is our VWAP second deviation band, and we're going to head down for a short. Now I went out and I looked at the 5 and 15 minute time frames, and we saw some serious support down here. Okay, so we're going to probably end up locking profit right around where I have this possible lock zone, and of course the trade is protected with our stop loss in profit already. You can see the trade struggling right around this price. We're just going to go ahead and lock in 19 points. This is our second trade, so you can see we're really still struggling right around this lock zone. The price is kind of consolidated here, but our data is kicking in. We're going to go ahead and re-enter this trade now and punch through this 5 and 15 minute support and go short. We've got the trade protected with our stop loss and profit. We are hitting another price zone of support here, so we're going to go ahead and lock this trade in with 30 points. We're still trading before market open. You can see how easy and sensitive it is to see these price zones. You see how we consolidated right where we locked that last trade. The data cycles back through. We're going to take the next push down. Now our take profit is set down by the third deviation band. However, Thursday's low right here, this 0 Fibonacci level, is probably going to be where we lock in. We do have our profit or our stop loss in profit, and we're going to go ahead and lock in at this 0 Fibonacci for 26 points. This is a quick trade at the open. It pulled back up to yesterday's low after it punched through. We got in the trade, and we're going to go ahead and lock this orange line. You see this horizontal line is actually a GAN take profit level 3. We're going to lock in here with 44 points. Now we punched a new low of day trade, so what we're going to do is we waited for the signature reversal soda process to kick in. Our data on our short time frames is what takes us out of the reversal for the long. So it's a short market, but we're going long. This is just simply a pullback, but it is a reversal off the low of day. It's mechanical. We've already got that stop loss moved into profit, so the trade is risk-free. You can see we're aiming for that pink line, which is VWAP, but we're stuck right here at the 23.6 in support. So when previous support becomes resistance, what do? We're gonna see how price behaves right here. It's still a risk-free. Price is pretty sticky right here, so we're just gonna go ahead and lock in 30 points. You can see price did chop its way up a little bit more to VWAP. However, our second time frame of data is kicking in. We're going to go ahead and take this long. Now what you'll notice here is I have price or our take profit set at a very interesting place. That's actually VPOC. Out on the 5-minute chart. So volume point of control is where we're going to lock in these 22 points. Now right after those longs, you can see that we moved back down into the direction of the trend. The short time frame data flipped back over. That's the 1-minute momentum and sentiment. We also still held the 1 hour and 30-minute values. Everything is rolling over as we come back through very aggressively and quickly. I didn't even have time to turn the video on. These are 15-second candles, so we just locked in a really quick 36 points. The market continued to drop the rest of the day after this, but 203 points is plenty for a Friday morning. So take care, have a great weekend.